If you want to make your text two-lined in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to split your text into two lines so it looks clean, balanced, and much more professional in your video edits. This is super useful for captions, titles, and any on-screen text that needs better spacing and readability. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open the project you already want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left menu and click on Text. From there, drag default text onto your timeline. This adds a text layer that you can customize however you want. After that, click on the text track in the timeline so it becomes selected. Then head over to the top right panel and open the text section. Then go into Basic. This is where you'll be able to edit the actual wording of your text. Now click inside the input text box and find the point where you want the text to split into two lines. Place your cursor right there and then press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press enter, CapCut will break the text into a new line, giving you that two-line look instantly. If you want, you can repeat this process and even make more than two lines. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on that clean two-line style. Once the text is split, you may notice it needs a little adjustment so it fits nicely on the screen. That's where scaling comes in. Use the bounding box handles in the preview window to resize the text until both lines look balanced. You want the spacing to feel natural, not too wide or too cramped. If the text looks off-center, just drag it slightly and position it where it works best in your frame. This is a small step, but it makes a big difference in how polished your edit looks. A quick tip here. Shorter phrases usually look best with a simple line break in the middle, while longer text may need a little more resizing so it doesn't take up too much space. If your two lines still feel too large, reduce the text size in the basic settings until it fits better. On the other hand, if it looks too small, increase it just enough to keep it readable. The goal is to make your text easy to read while keeping the design clean and stylish, and that's really all there is to it. By adding your text, placing the cursor where you want the break, pressing enter, and then adjusting the size and position, you can make your text two-lined in CapCut in just a few seconds. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple editing tips and CapCut tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.